Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I'm Apurvi and on this channel I share delicious eggless baking recipes. Today we are making a delightful plum compote that will surprise you in the best way. To make it, we'll use juicy red plums. Slice them in half and remove the seeds. It's easy, just make a cut along the center, then twist the half to separate them. Use a spoon or the tip of your knife to remove the seeds. Let me show you again. Measure out 155 grams of de-seeded plums. In a pan, add the plums, 28 grams of castor sugar, adjust according to the sweetness of your plums. 3 grams of cornflour and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it slightly. Then cook on low to medium heat, stirring to coat the plums well. After a few minutes, the plums will soften. Use a spatula to crush them and continue cooking the compote on low heat. It will take about 5 to 8 minutes to thicken slightly, with the plums becoming soft and mushy like this. Once done, take it off the flame. If you prefer a chunky compote, store it at this stage in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For a smoother compote, use a strainer and press the mixture through with a spatula. Store the fine compote in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This compote is sweet with a hint of tanginess from its natural flavor and is absolutely delicious. You can use it over bread, drizzle it on ice creams, or enjoy it on pancakes. The possibilities are endless. Try it for yourself and you'll love it. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.